we all know about orphan configurations and orphan feature that we have in our application. So this is an enhancement to what we do today. Today, like when you orphan, you'd be able to set a field, clear a field, or like add a comment. But one thing that it was falling short is like it cannot clear the relationships. So it ended up having stale relationships even after the record is orphaned on the target system. So this enhancement is to support clearing the relationships so that like when a record is orphaned, there exists no stale connections to that record. So we have added this support to Jira and Rally adapters for now. So the configuration is pretty much in the same place where we configure the rest of the fields. I'll quickly jump to the demo and show that. So this is one of the automation where I have already kept it configured for with the orphan strategy. So if you look at it here, so you will see this issue link as a field appearing for both Jira and Rally. Earlier, you won't be seeing this issue link. So when you choose this issue link, it will list down all the possible link types in a given application. So while you're configuring this issue link can only be cleared. So if you choose set or prefix or suffix anything else, you won't be able to choose issue link from the list to configure it. So we support only to clear the issue links, but not set or create issue links part of the orphan. And when you choose the values here, the link types, this is like possible link types in the relationship configuration. And it's a multi-select. You can choose like any number of link types that you wanted to clear that exist with the system. It will process according to the configuration. Say, for example, like you have configured only predecessors and the successors to clear, but unmarked this user stories. When it performs an orphan, if there exists a relationship of type user stories, it will not touch that. It will only remove the relationship of whatever is configured here. And this is on the Jira side, and you should also see a similar kind of a thing appearing here. The possible link types from Jira is listed here. Okay, I can show a quick demo of how this works. I'll just use this automation itself. Okay, let me quickly show you on my configuration here. So here, what is configured is I have Winnie demo project of Epic type is configured to feature in Rally under a project, specific project. And issue links are processed through this. Issue links are processed through this mapping definitions. So whenever you relate, it will process the issue links. So what it processes is like it processes causes, duplicates, and is cloned by with these respective types on the Rally side. And as we just saw on the orphan strategy, on the Rally side, I have configured to clear predecessor, successor, and user stories as well. Now with this configuration, I'm going to attempt to create a new record in this project. Okay. Okay, I'm creating an epic. I will create another epic. Okay, let me attempt to synchronize this automation. Sync now. Okay, I got these two created. Let me show that. F498. F498. Okay, I got this created, but I haven't established the relationship, so you don't see anything in the dependencies here. let me go and establish the relationship with 173. I'm creating a link. I'm choosing causes because that's one of the map relationship type there. And I'm choosing 173 and I'm creating a relationship between these two. Now the relationship is established. Let us synchronize this. And now, so yeah, so these records are queued and yeah, one record is updated. Now let me go and refresh this rally feature. And you can see now a dependency is added with the other epic that we have already created. Okay. Now this relationship is now established. Let us validate whether it is doing the orphan processing as we expect. Now I'm going to delete this record so that it gets orphaned. Okay. So I'm deleting this record from Jira, going back to dashboard, and this time I'm going to use orphan run to perform the orphan. I'm using orphan run. Orphan job is triggered. Yeah. Now this is orphan. 498 is orphan. So if I come to 498, if I refresh this, this should go away from here as per our configurations. Okay. I can see this is gone. And as part of our orphan configuration, we also added a comment stating record is orphan. So orphan process have kicked in. It had left a comment and also removed the relationship that we wanted to clear off. That's about this feature enhancement.